Ensuring the reliability and safety of critical systems is becoming increasingly complex. At Sector, we are experts in risk management. For 35 years, we have secured, optimized and improved the resilience of systems in the most demanding sectors, such as rail, transport, aeronautics, nuclear, critical infrastructure, automotive and defense. We have over 300 employees based in Canada and Europe to ensure the reliability of your systems. Dependability is the core of our expertise. Our goal is to ensure that every system operates reliably and continuously, even under critical conditions. To achieve this, we identify failure points and assess their impact. We then provide solutions to minimize the consequences through support elements including technical improvements or maintenance procedures. In addition to dependability, Sector offers a wide range of services, from maintenance engineering to crisis management, nuclear safety, battery risk management, eco-design and integrated logistics support. We apply current standards and regulations in all our areas of expertise to ensure total compliance. We also provide training in our core businesses. Our catalog can be consulted on our website. Our goal is to provide complete and tailored solutions to each challenge. To do so, our motivated and passionate consultants and engineers combine technical expertise and innovation to guide our clients towards high-performing systems that are safe for people and the environment. Sector's agility to adapt to your challenges, expertise to secure your projects, cohesion to move forward together, and independence to ensure customized solutions. Contact us today